Michael with Iconosys. Today we'll be communicating the latest Shutterstream version 2.1 and our chroma key background removal. I've just actually imported an image into our Shutterstream application. Of course, you could work with the camera control portion of it, but just to quickly communicate how this feature and functionality work, we're going to take our image that we've shot on a green background. You can also use red or blue. And I will select that image. I'll go into the editing tool and choose the BR tool. Typically how it works with the BR tool is you will have to import a background removal image, but in this case, since we're using chroma, you actually select the solid color option and you will choose the color that best represents your background. It doesn't have to be that close, just a rough idea. For instance, this green right here would work, this green would work, even that green would work fine. So just pick something that's close to your background. We'll hit OK. Then we have a couple different options here. First one is going to be our soft transparency. You want to increase this basically as high as possible until you see it starting to blink white. So it'll go light gray, dark gray, then white. So we're going to increase our soft transparency quite high. This is our viewer, one-to-one viewer over here. As you can see, going around and inspecting the image, you can see it does a very, very good job at kind of picking up the edges. So simply from there, we can also smooth it a bit. You can see the effect. If I take smoothing up quite a bit, you're going to see it leaves kind of a hue. So we don't really want smoothing that high. I'll probably put my smoothing to about 2 or 3. I'll hit apply. If you had multiple images, you could hit apply to all. And you're going to see that cuts this out instantly. Onto it's a transparent background. The viewing in Shutterstream is it needs to show with a solid color, so this is why it's using white in here, but this is an actual transparent background, and let me communicate that for you. I'll output this and we'll view it in Photoshop. Pardon me, I want to use my dynamic save tool. I'm going to choose a background, say we'll go PNG. We'll resize our image to 1000 pixels wide. We'll choose our output folder. I think I have a sample folder somewhere that we'll probably go and save these two samples. There we go. Select folder. Okay, so let's output this. We could do is a TIFF or a PNG to maintain the transparent background. If it's JPEG, it's going to go with white or any other color that the user defines in the options area. Now that we've output that image, let's actually open this in Photoshop just so we can inspect. And we can see what a good job the tool does of the automated background removal to transparent, as you can see here. So that is kind of our chroma key background removal inside of the Shutterstream application. Thank you.